of this project is for the member to apply the skills needed to successfully lead in a volunteer or other organization. The purpose of this speech is for the member to share some aspect of his or her experience as a leader or the impact of the 360 degree evaluation. So I all the best, Toastmaster Lokesh. The speech title, as I said, leading a Toastmaster club. Lokesh, leading the Toastmaster club. Over to you, Lokesh. And just for the timer, just remember that his speech length is 8 to 10 minutes.
Just we can avoid the time.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Lokesh, Nalin here, so I will share that one timing. Please let me know if you are able to see. Okay.
I'm not able to see right now.
Yeah, I'm not sharing. Just a minute. Is it visible now?
Yeah, I can see the timing cards. Thank you.
Good.
With great power comes great responsibility, as quoted by Uncle Ben in Spider-Man. On January 1st, 2020, I was elected the president of Tieto Toastmasters Club. It was a roller coaster ride and it was a great learning experience for me. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Do you know how many XCOM members are present in the club? Okay, the answer is 7 XCOM roles are present. The roles are as follows. Secretary, the person who takes charge of all the props and accessories of the club. Secretary also determines whether the room is available, it's set properly. As we are not having physical meeting these days, secretary also makes sure that he keeps a tab of the online meeting platform which we are using these days. The next role player is treasurer. The treasurer of the club makes sure that all the dues are paid to Toastmaster on time. He also makes sure that the renewal fees are taken care of as and when needed and submitted to TI. Also, the treasurer helps in onboarding a new member in the club. The next role player is Vice President Education. The Vice President Education makes sure that all the members understand what are the end goals of each and every member. What are the awards present in Toastmasters which they can target and achieve in their tenure. Also, the Vice President Education makes sure that the overall educational goals of the club are met. For example, if somebody needs some training, that can be requested to the Vice President Education and he can conduct or help to arrange that training. The next role player is the VPM, which is VP membership. The goal of VP membership is to onboard new members, make sure that VP membership connects with the guest, helps them understand the overall Toastmasters program, and also ask them if they like to move to become a member. So this is the goal of VP membership. The next is VPPR. VPPR is Vice President Public Relationship. The goal of Vice President Public Relationship is to make sure that the club and its meeting details are circulated in the community, in our case within the organization. Also make sure that posters are created he is the voice of the club for the external parties. So whenever things has to be shared for the club, it's the VPM responsibility to convey that information or pass on that information. The next role player is the sergeant at arms. Now the sergeant at arms make sure that all the meeting agendas are written correctly. Also, the sergeant at arms takes responsibility of having the physical asset of the club. That's a very crucial role. Also, it is expected that the sergeant at arms make sure that he comes early in the meeting, make sure all the things are in place, and when leaving the meeting, all the things are in the right place. So the meeting room is clean when it's a physical meeting. In online case, that is not a challenge. The last role of the excom is the president of the club. Now, the job of the president is to make sure that the club functions properly. If there is any issue, he, along with other excom members, can sit down and resolve the issue. Also, keep a tag of the member's goal, how the member visions the club, where the president wants to take this club in the future. See, the whole and soul or the buck stop at the president of the club. Trust me, all these role plays are not child's play. There is a lot of effort, time, and commitment required to perform these duties. Now, coming to the main topic of leading a club. As my tenure of president of this club, there were few things which I've learned quite a lot. First thing is how to manage people. This club at that moment was having 25 people on its roster. Managing and making sure all 25 get fair chance is a tricky job, and it used to have a discussion with the VP education to make sure everybody gets roles and speech slots on time. Also, my job as the president was to make sure that the club conducts 4 type of contests properly. Those are international speech contest, second is evaluation contest, third is humor contest, and fourth is table topic contest. So my job as the president was to make sure that me along with excom make sure that we plan well in advance and conduct the contest smoothly. Each contest again consumes lot of background time in the form of preparation, in the form of getting all the role players, making sure the contestant are eligible as per their speech slots. This is a big task. Along with this, the job of the president was to make sure that I conduct the MOT, Moments of Truth. It is kind of the appraisal, yearly appraisal of the club. Are we doing the things right? Are there areas where we are not doing right? What steps the excom should take to rectify those errors and continue with their strong points? So this is again a crucial part in which comes in the president's bucket. The next step is club success plan, also called as CSP in Toastmasters acronyms. Club success plan is making sure that you have a roadmap of 1 year in mind and planning things so that you meet all your educational goals, you conduct the contest correctly, and help the member grow to the next level. This is what, as the president, I was involved in the club level activity. Outside the club also, the president is heavily involved, like connecting with the area director. There is a hierarchy in the Toastmaster. So club is at the bottom. After that, few clubs come together to form an area. few area come together to form a division, few division come together to form a district. Each area has minimum 3 clubs, so it's like synchronizing with all the 3 clubs, making sure that the area level contest where all representatives of all 3 clubs come together is conducted smoothly, helping the area director to achieve it. So these are few of the roles which I was able to lead in my tenure as the president of the club. Taking the responsibility in the XCOM is a privilege and an honor. And I again would like to reiterate the quote, with great power come great responsibility. Thank you, Theatre Toastmasters Club, for giving me that power and making sure that I do my responsibilities in proper form. With this, I hope that you got a glimpse of what XCOM is, how various role players contribute to the success of the club, and I wish that future members also take interest in taking XCOM roles and developing their leadership skill and taking it to the next level. With this, I would hand over the stage to Toastmaster Anand for further proceedings.
Thanks a lot, Toastmaster.